टेबल। वेट, चेक करते हैं कौन क्या है। प्राची डन, राधेश्री डन, अभिजीत डन, गोविंद साहू डन। नो, ओके। Govind, are you like facing any problem in that?
यस सर। सर मेरा कलम आ गया, रो भी आ गया, लेकिन उसका साइज कैसे बड़ा छोटा करना है ये पता नहीं चला।
ओके ओके, उसको विड्थ दे दो अंदर में। मैं आपको 100 ग्राम मुझे मैं बता रहा हूँ।
एक मिनट।
So guys, one thing you need to remember that these things, because whatever assignment we are assigning to you, if you complete these things, so you get like excellent certificate, whatever like Career Dream Education provide you. Okay, so if you not done all these things, because our like senior will be record all these things, whatever you are submitting inside that's like classroom, or like what you are attending the session or not, whatever. So it will be recorded every time. Okay, so you need to complete that one, because if you want to complete your intensive as soon as possible, and you want to learn from that, so I think you it's better. Yeah. विथ में देखो यहाँ पे 50 पिक्सल दिए ना, आप 50% दिए
जी।
ना,
जी।
उसको 100% कर दो। या लाइव सर्वर चलाओगे।
जी,
ओके।
ये तो 100 हो गया। ये जो हेडर का सेक्शन है ना,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
इससे कैसे बड़ा छोटा करना है?
हाँ, आपने क्या क्या पता है आपको, जैसे कि हेड हेड सेक्शन में आप कॉलम दे दिए आपने, हेड बॉडी और फुटर ये वाला नेम एड्रेस दे दिए। तो आपको
जी।
अगर हेड सेक्शन नेम एड्रेस एक बार मुझे वो वाला देखा हो तो आउटपुट। ओके। नेक्स्ट कोडिंग, कोडिंग दिखाओ मुझे। TRTH। ओके ओके। ओके, आपने क्या किया, जैसे कि हमने ओनली टी हैज ओनली यूज करते हैं जब हम हेडिंग देते हैं। ओके।
जी।
टीडी यूज करते हैं कहाँ पर, जैसे कि हम बॉडी पार्ट में कुछ लिखते हैं या फुटर में लिखते हैं, वहां पे हम टीडी देते हैं। ओके। टीडी का मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे कि टेबल डाटा होता है। ओके। तो टी हैज का मतलब टेबल हेडिंग होता है, तो टी हेड में टी एच रहना चाहिए, बट आपने टी बॉडी में भी टी एच डाल दिया, इसलिए नहीं आ रहा। ओके।
अच्छा अच्छा। तो अब मैं
ओके।
क्या करूँ?
और आपको
टीडी
जैसे
करूँ?
कि हेडर पार्ट में पता होगा, आपको हेडर में एक ही जैसे कि कंटेंट रहता है, जो भी
हाँ
हमारा
हाँ।
मेन टॉपिक होता है। जैसे कि हमने कोई स्टूडेंट का मार्कशीट बनाया, तो स्टूडेंट मार्कशीट बोल के हम हेडिंग डालते हैं। ओके। तो वहाँ पे
जी।
टी एच हम यूज करते हैं ओनली हेडिंग डालने के लिए, कंटेंट डालने के लिए हम बॉडी टैग की यूज कर, बॉडी टैग के अंदर हम डालते। बट हमको जैसे कि टी आर के अंदर हमको टीडी डालना है, टीडी के अंदर जो भी आपको कंटेंट डालना है उसको डाल सकते हैं। ओके।
जी जी, और एक सर बात है जो,
या बताओ।
सर इस मतलब रो के सेक्शन में तो आपने 3 रो दिए है ना, जो
हाँ,
आपने
आपने
असाइनमेंट हमने दिया था।
डिजाइनिंग ठीक से नहीं किए, इसलिए ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है। अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, अगर आपका जैसे इशू आ रहा है, तो आप
जी।
हमारे सब ट्रेनर सारे जैसे कि पार्टनर सारे हैं, उनको कांटेक्ट करो, वो बता देंगे आपको। ओके।
अच्छा जी, ठीक है।
ओके, ठीक है। या प्राची मैम, प्लीज शो इट, प्लीज शेयर योर स्क्रीन। या
Principal?
या
Hello?
इट्स नॉट विजिबल स्टिल नाउ। हेलो प्राची मैम, हेलो देयर। या ओके। तो आपका कोडिंग मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है ठीक से, वेट करो। या हाँ, क्या दिक्कत आ रहा है आपका? ओके, ऐसे हो गया, हाँ ठीक हुआ। नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ इसके बाद? हाँ, ये जो नेम वाला है उसको कोलस्पान टू दिया आपने, नेम वाला। तो नेम कोलस्पान ये है राइट, 3 कर लो इसको, ये ठीक हो जाएगा, 3 कर लो इसको, कोलस्पान 3 करो नेम वाला को, तो ठीक हो जाएगा। कोडिंग में जाओ, कोडिंग में, कोडिंग पार्ट में जाओ। हाँ ये वाला फर्स्ट नेम है ना, कोलस्पान 2 दिया आपने, 3 कर लो इसको। या फास्ट फास्ट, जैसे कि टी एच के अंदर में है वो, टी एच के फास्ट टीडी में, और फुटर 2 सेक्शन, ये नेम को चेंज कराओ, या नेम वाला है ना फर्स्ट सेकंड, हाँ या नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट लाइन, नेक्स्ट लाइन नेक्स्ट लाइन, या उसको 3 कराओ, या अभी अभी चलाओ, आउटपुट क्या होता है। ओके ठीक हो गया। अभी इसको अगर आपको जैसे कि लास्ट लास्ट नेम को अगर 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है, तो लास्ट नेम में उसको कॉलस्पान 2 दे दो, हो जाएगा। कोडिंग पार्ट में जाके करो। हो गया
सर
सब।
वो सर वो एड्रेस वाले को साइड में आना था ना, वो नहीं आ पा रहा।
कौन सा बताओ।
तो वही तो बता रही थी। हम्म। सर ये जो एड्रेस वाला है इसको यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था नेम के बाद।
ओके यहाँ पे चाहिए था, तो आपने जो टी आर लिखा है, टीडी के अंदर 3 लिखा है, या एक ही अलग से ये आपने रो बनाया है, इसलिए ये नेक्स्ट रो में चला आता है।
ना, मैंने इसके लिए अलग रो नहीं बनाई।
दिखा दो मुझे कोडिंग पार्ट।
हम्म,
हाँ आपने तो डाला है अलग से, देखो यहाँ पे टीडी, टीडी करके अलग से डाला है ना आपने, बाहर डाला है, अंदर में डालो उसको, हो जाएगा।
तैयार करूँ?
टीडी है ना, हाँ इसको अंदर में डालो, टी आर के अंदर, लास्ट नेम के नीचे डालो।
ओके।
ये पूरा को नहीं, ओनली ओनली एड्रेस चाहिए, ओनली एड्रेस, क्योंकि टीयर का अंदर में होता है टीडी। ओके तो ओनली
पर पूरा जाएगा ना?
नहीं नहीं पूरा नहीं जाएगा वो। कंट्रोल जेड करो, कंट्रोल जेड करो,
नहीं, मेरा कोड कहाँ गया?
पूरा बिगाड़ दिया अपने कोडिंग पार्ट
ओके सर, आए।
को। हाँ करो, अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ, हो जाएगा ठीक से, कंट्रोल जेड करो, आ जाएगा वो। या आ गया, तो इसको ओनली, हाँ और एक बार कंट्रोल जेड करो, और एक बार, हाँ अभी आ गया। ओनली ये जो टीडी टीडी पार्ट है ना, उसको लेके अपने नीचे डाल दो। हाँ हाँ हो गया, देखो यहाँ जाके, बट कोल्सपान को नहीं, आपको नहीं नहीं इतने रहने दो, और कुछ कर मत करो उसको,
पर
कोल्सपान को हटा दो, कोल्सपान 3 है ना, एड्रेस, हाँ वो वाला हटा दो। हाँ देखो अभी हो रहा है ना, नहीं हो रहा है। बार बार राइट क्लिक करने का जरूरत भी नहीं है कुछ भी, आपको डायरेक्ट जाके रिफ्रेश कर लो, हो जाएगा वो वाला। ओके हो गया।
सब कुछ अलग अलग हो गया।
हाँ आपने आपने जो डाले फास्ट एड्रेस डाल दिया ना, इसलिए वो एड्रेस फास्ट चलाया, आपने को आपको लास्ट में डालना था, इसलिए ओके मैंने
ओके
आपको वो
सर,
डाल।
नहीं
मैं
सर, जो
करती हूँ।
नेम है उसके साइड में एड्रेस का एक कॉलम आना था, फिर उसके 3 पार्ट होते।
किसका, ये जो
सर जो
नेम,
नेम
फर्स्ट नेम का और लास्ट नेम का।
नो
नहीं
सर।
सर, जो मेन नेम लिखा है ना उसके साइड में एड्रेस का कॉलम आता है, उसके फिर सिटी, स्टेट और वो कोड,
पोस्टल
3
कोड।
कॉलम होते।
ओके ओके, तो मुझे थोड़ा ये वाला दिखाओ जो मैं दिया था असाइनमेंट आपको, तुम बता सकते।
सर मैंने इसको बनाया तो टेबल के 3 पार्ट किए, हेडर, बॉडी और फुटर, तब जाके अच्छे से हुआ, नहीं तो फिर नहीं हो रहा था।
ओके ओके ठीक है, उनको भी थोड़ा सजेस्ट कर दो, अच्छी बात होगा। प्राची मैम आपको कलीग्स को पूछ लो, बता देंगे ठीक से। ओके
ओके सर।
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू सो
नहीं सर,
मच।
पर तीनों टेबल को एक साथ ज्वाइन करना हो तो फिर वो नहीं हो पा रहा था, मेरा भी यही वाला डाउट था।
तीनों कॉलम को एक साथ ज्वाइन ज्वाइन करके कैसे आपने, बताओ मुझे थोड़ा।
ठीक है सर।
Okay.
प्राची तुम सर को असाइनमेंट वाला सबमिट दिखा दो, मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो पाई रही।
ओके, मैं देख लूंगा क्लासरूम में जाके। ओके, इसके बाद अगर नहीं होते तो मुझे कांटेक्ट करो, मैं बताऊंगा, क्योंकि ऐसे
सर
नहीं
जैसे
सिंपल है।
असाइनमेंट दिया है तो उसको कब तक सबमिट कर सकते हैं?
ये 2 दिन आपको दिया जाता है सबमिट करने के लिए। जैसे कि एक असाइनमेंट आपको 2 दिन दिया जाता है, क्योंकि जो कि आपका कॉलेज होता है, कॉलेज में क्लासेस होता है, तो इसलिए हमने 2 दिन दिया है आपको। 2 दिन में आपको कंप्लीट करना है। अगर आप 5 दिन में कंप्लीट कर लिए तो आपने वहाँ पे कंप्लीट, जैसे कि अटेंडेंस में आप डालते शाम को, तो वहाँ पे कंप्लीटेड बोर्ड के डाल देना, तो हम नेक्स्ट असाइनमेंट आपको दे देंगे। ओके, आप अगर मैसेज करें तो ग्रुप में। ओके,
ठीक है।
thank you so much. So, guys, let's start the session. Today we are discussing some of the take, whatever like in that HTML. Wait, I will share my screen. So at first we are discussing commenting, like how we can comment any of that particular content in that HTML. Okay, I hope you see my screen as well.
यस सर।
Okay, great. So I will create it's like a text.html. Okay, in that I will write down something in the HTML. It's the tag, various tag. I will write inside that various tag. Okay. So we discussed like what are the comment, how can we comment any of the particular like content and like tag whatever. So if I write something like a anchor tag inside, so it is a anchor tag. So it's a link, we can call it. Okay. So if I write down is home, so I want to like comment that one, so I can. Let's see how. So if you want to comment any of the particular content or like particular text, then you can by using this one. Okay. So if without like shortcut key we have, like if you like cursor in that fast of that tag, then you have to press control slash. Okay, done. It's so if you remove that particular comment, then you again you have to press control slash. Okay, it's done. This is the comment. So next we have to discuss like anchor tag. What is anchor tag? So anchor tag means when you click any of the particular content, it's like a like navigation bar. So it navigate to the another page. If I give the inside that home, inside I will write any of the particular like it's the address of the particular website. I will copy some website address. Wait, it's W3 square. If I copy, yeah. So I will copy that address. Then I'll paste inside that. Okay. So when I open that in that live server, let's see, it will be coming in that like a home. Then I want to change that like a when I click that particular link, it will be goes to the another page, or like a same page may be opening that. If you want to like open in the next page, then you have to use target. All these things we are there. We have to discuss later. But before that, let's I will show you that one like how it's work. Wait a minute, it will be opening soon. So before it's opening, we are discussing something other tech. It's like a bold tech. Okay, we have bold, like italic, all this tech are there. I will show you one by one. So we have bold tech. It's a B. Okay, B for bold. If I write something like a this is a bold tech. This is a bold tech. Okay, and if I want to italic, it's a slant something. So I will write inside that italic I. This is this is italic text, you can call it. italic. Okay, so if I open that phone, okay, so have you observed that one? This one is the like a bold, and this one is a italic. They are applying inside that, and this is a link. When I click that button, have you observed that when I like when my mouse over that particular content, it not show me in that particular hand symbol. If I go to the particular link, let's say anchor tag, then it show me like a hand symbol. When I click that button, it's like home, it will be open that link, whatever link we are giving inside that. This will open the same tag. If you want to another tag, then we can. Okay, so next tag we are discussing how we can print in the next line. If you want to print in that like fast line, if you want to print this bold, this is a bold tag, and this is a italic tag. If you want to print the second line and third like anchor tag, you want to print in that third line, so we can do that by using a break element. Okay, break tag. So this is the empty tag, you know that all these things. So br is a break. If I using br tag, so you have to use inside dot br. Okay, and before that also br. So this is a break the line. Okay, this is a break the line. So this is a bold tag, this is italic tag, all these things will be shown in their form. If you write something in that after that like anchor tag, then you have to write br, then we can print the next line whatever. Okay, we require. So next we have to discuss big tag. Big. So what is big? I will show you that one also. So it's like we are require a br, a break line. So in that I require big. If I inside I will write say big tag. I think it's deprecated. Wait, I will check once. Something big. So it's nothing but like if you want to like big something content. If I write in that any paragraph, wait, I will write a paragraph. Then I will show you how it's look in the. If I write big, so lorem, and inside I want to the simit like any of that particular word I want to big tag. So big. It's not block. It's a big. Okay, so have you observed that one? Like it will be something it's deprecated or like similar. What is that? Yeah, this one is a similar. Okay, so as compared to the other content, it will be larger than that. Okay, so it is a if you want to in that paragraph you want to highlight something, then you can use the big tag for highlighting the content. Okay. So next we have to discuss how we are doing the center alignment, like all these things. Okay, before that, in the HTML we have v-link and a-link. What is that? Say v-link, v-link, and we have a-link. What is that? It's a visited link and like a-link. It's active link. Okay. Okay. It's working or not? Yeah, it's working fine. Red I will give inside that thing. Yeah. So I will show you that zoom at first, then I'll show you it. So when I click that button, it will be active. It will be showing me in that like red color. So this is the V link and A link. A link means active link. When you like click the button, it will be like show that particular color. If you want to like what is that? Visit already visited. So it if you want to show the particularly another color, then it's like as per your requirement you can give that. But if you go to that any Google website, they are giving like a particular color. I will show you. So you have to got a decent idea about like how it's look. If I searching something like mm, Metatech, Metatech, wait, I will done. So when I click that button, it will post the another like navigate to the other page. Okay. When I back that particular like page, I'll show you. Have you observed that one? The color, it's a not visited color, and it's a visited like link. Okay, this is the difference between active link and like visited link and non-visited link. Okay, active link means when you click that button, it will be active. Okay, we can do that like using also what is that? It's like CSS. We can do that, and HTML by using V-link or A-link we can do that. Okay, so this is the A-link and V-link. Next, we have to discuss. Uh, DL and DT and DT. Okay, what is that? I will show you one by one. So what is DT, DT and DL? So we have as like in the previous section, I will told you like a list item. So in that like DL we have data list, data term and data definition. I will write inside that like comment, then you have to understand better. So in that I will write something like, so we have DD. It's first one is DL. It's the first. It's a data list. You can call it. Someone calling it other name also. Okay. So don't be confused in that. So we have DT. It's data turn. Data turn. Okay. And DD. It's data definition. Definition. Okay. And other like DL also other name is like a definition term, definition list, the definition description, other name also there. Okay, but you can call it like data list, data term, and data definition. Not a issue in that. Okay. So next, I will show you like how it's look and how like what is the difference between list item and like a data list. I will show you that one. Okay. So in that below, I will show you in that. Wait. So first one is DL. Inside I need something DT. Okay, it's data term. So you have to write at first DL. It's data list. Inside you need to write data term, and next you have to write data definition. Okay. So I write inside the data. It's like a definition or like data term. I can write is inside that, and in that I'll write data definition. Okay. Let's see, I will open that one. That's how it's look. Let's see. So what is that? I think I require refresh. Yeah. So this is the data term and data definition. Okay. So if you want to you want to print something like a like fruits item or like a like footwear whatever for shoes or like chappal and whatever we are there in the footwear, you want to print something line, then you can use by you need to use like DL, DT and DT. Okay, DT. Sorry. So next
Sir,
I will, yeah.
sir, this indentation is automatically, na?
What is intended?
Sir, indentation, there is some gap before data
Okay, okay,
definition.
yeah, it's automatically.
Okay, sir, okay.
There is some network glitch at Radharam name site, so she want to let in. Yeah, Partha sir, are you there?
Yes, sir, but I never get a request from them.
ओके ओके प्राची में आपने उनको थोड़ा बोल दीजिए कि एक बार ट्राई कर पार्थ सर उनको अलाउ करते हैं. ओके, नॉट इशू. So guys, it's automatically it's coming because we are designing that all the like whatever tag we are using inside that is the predefined tag. We know that all this is okay. So if you want to write something like fruits, then you can, it's like a data and data term. In that you have to write it's fruits, and inside I need like mango, M-A-N-G, mango, and in that I will write it's like DD, and it's like crafts, like you can write it's like a apple, whatever, okay. And if you write something, the other one, it's like footwear, footwear, and inside if you write DD, it's like a slipper, slipper, okay. And if you write like shoes, sorry, S-H-O-E, okay, shoes. And next I write inside that say formal shoes, formal shoes, okay. So it look like it that, okay. But in the list item we are designing something like in that like same line we are designing, but we, if you want to designing something in that like a what is that, Mm, in the number form, or like a what is that, it's like a alphabetical form, or like a, roman letter form, then you can use the list item. If you want to like designing something in that form, then you have to use DL, DT, and DT, okay. So next is emphasize tag. What is emphasize tag? We have to discuss. I will show you that one also. Emphasize. Let's see. I will show you a lot of if some in that emphasize tag. Wait. So for emphasizing, we are using EM. Okay. So in that, I will test inside that. Have you observed that one? What is the difference between like lorem if some and all other one, other content, like whatever we are adding? This is the difference between like emphasize something like by the word you can understand what is that like meaning of that and how it's look and how it's work in that. I hope you understand. Okay. So next we have to go to that. Say font. If you want to change something font, then you can. So in that, if I write something, wait. So in the before, I will write, let's say font. Okay. So inside, if you want to write something content inside that, this is use. So basically, this is font tag. Okay. So in that, if I write like color, and if you write like a red, let's see it's showing that it's deprecated or not. Yeah, it's showing that. If you write something font face, it's Arial or like Times New Roman, whatever. Times New Roman. Okay, this is the Times New Roman. So by using like font, we can designing any of that whatever you require in that HTML. Okay. So basically, what are the use of font tag on like inside the font tag? What we can write inside that? Like we can write like color and like font face, and like if you want to design something style inside that, okay, we can write many more inside that. But basically, I like I will show you that one because it's basically not requiring that further, because if you learn something in the CSS, it's much better than that. Okay, so you have to remember like how we are without like using CSS, how we can designing something a website or web page, whatever. Okay, so that's why I will show you that one. So if you want to write something like a color, then you have to use color, COLOR color. And if you want to change something, it's like a font family, then you have to use font face. Okay, and we have like other one is there also. Okay, like style, I will told you like if you want to apply something in that CSS inside that font, then you have to use style. If I will show you that one, wait. Style inside, if I write background color, it's like a aqua. If I write inside that, let's see what happens. Isn't that a background color is aqua? Okay. So by using other tag is also there. This is a attribute or take all these things. Okay. So next we have to discuss something form. So like if you want to designing something a form, like a login form or like a register form, then you can by using like HTML we can do that. Let's see, I will show you. form.html. Inside I will let inside that it's form. I will open that one in live server, then I will close the old one. Yeah. So let's see how we're designing something a form, a form form. Okay. So what is get and post? Have you observed that one? When I write like something in form, we are getting something like get method and post method. What is that? So like previous section, I will told you like some architecture behind that, how it's like a web application work. So we need to like post some data to the server side. So in that time, if you want whatever submit the customer or client whatever submit inside the form, then you want to post the data to the server side or like database whatever. So in that form we are using post method. Okay, so if you want to get data from that server, then you have to use the get method. Okay, but we are not using these things because we are not required, because we are designing something, a website, a like a dynamic website. We are not like intact with that server side. That's why we are not required. Okay, so next thing is that action. What is action? Like when I submit something, like when I click the submit button or like a confirm button or like any of the button, if you want to click something, then it will be goes to another page. Right, if you like submit any for application form or job application form or like a interview application, whatever you are submitting inside that, they will be like show you message, thank you for submitting the application, thank you for register for yourself, or whatever you are saying in that message, you can show that one by using server side whatever. Okay, so these are the things we have to remember. So let's see, I will design something in the form. So I will show you a login form, how we're designing that one. So you have to got a decent idea about like how we're designing something, and then you can designing whatever you want. Okay, so we are basically using for input. If you require for text, so wait, I will show you one by one. So we have pt and other things is there, but what is file and like what is text, one by one I will show you, it's better. So what is text? So if you want to write something inside the box, it's a text form. Like if you want to like I will write the label inside, like I will write, let's say fast name. So I want to write in the box is the fast name. That's why I need to write that like input box is the text form, whatever I write. Okay, types is text. So if you want to write something a password, then you have to use like label inside, then you have to write like password. Okay, so inside you have to write input. So what is label? You, if you ask me that one, so basically label we are using for like giving a information about that whatever content you want, like customer or client need to be write inside that. Okay, so if I write like fast name, then you like customer like understand this thing, I need to mention my fast name in that fast box. Okay, if I write like password inside that, so that what is that, yeah, customer understand, like client understand that, yeah, I need to be input my password, so you have to use password. Okay, so it's text form, we need password. So why we are using like password, we can write is like in that text form. So what is the difference between that? If you observe that one, if you go any website and login form or like registration whatever, so in that we have security purpose, we are like a show button and like a icon, like eye icon is there. So if you want to show that particular password, then you have to click particularly, and if you want to hide that particularly, so we can do that like automatically by using password. Okay, so I will show you. Though this is the first name, if I write like Johan Peter and like other name also, so it's like a, and if I write password, have you of that one, it's coming in that like a eye icon. If I click that button, it will be show me whatever I enter inside that. Okay, so this is the something first name and last password. Okay, you can write is like last name whatever you want. Okay, so next I will designing something, let's say calendar, if you want to call it. Okay, so you have to write date time. Okay, so you need to write like a label inside, you have to write please enter your date of birth, your date of birth, or DOB you have to write. Okay, when you click that button, it will be show you like all that whatever you require for that. Okay, you have to choose any of the particular whatever. If you require any year or like a month and date, you have to choose according to your requirement. Okay, so if you want to choose something like a particular timing also, then you can. I will show you that one also. You have to understand. So level, I not require level. I will write inside like level. It's like a time, wait, like input, local time. Local time is there or anything? Yeah, date time local. Okay, date time local. It will be show you like all that like content like a calendar like a, and in that we have in the right side we have like a clock button is there. If you want to choose any particular clock, like we have like 6:56 now, so that like 6:56 it's 18. Okay, if you want to choose something like in that 21, it show you like something. Okay, it's 21:57 whatever. So if you want to choose any particular, that will be changed automatically. Okay, so these things you have to use inside that. Okay, so how if you want to like apply something or a particular form or like a particular register form, you want to add something like email, so how can you do that? I will show you. So in that, enter email id, enter email id. So in that input you have to write email. Okay, so let's see. If I write something, if I submit like in the button, that it will be show me in that like a error, because I will not write any of the valid like have you observed, please including an at the rate in that email address in that like missing an at the. Okay, you have to got a tool button like tool information about that. You have to enter these things. It will be required that. Okay, so if you want to show something in that form, then you can use required. Like if you are using something required inside the name or password whatever, so without like clicking that button, like customer or like client not submit the form without they cannot or like she or he will be cannot be submit the form. Okay, so you have to need to write inside that. So I will show you like file, how can you attach a particular file also. It's like a file. So inside input, it's like file. So wait, I will write inside that. It's a BR tag I will mention inside. Yeah, and inside I need something. What is required? Yeah. So enter that file. Upload file. Upload file or upload resume. You can write in that resume. Resume. Okay. Or CV, whatever you call you. Okay, so when I click that button like choose file button, have you observed one? When I click that button, it will be automatically open my folder whatever like I will save inside that. So when I like something I will attach, so I need to be click that and I will open that one, so it will be uploaded. But I need to send that all that like whatever I enter, whatever I upload inside that, it will go to that server. So I need to be like linked to the server. Okay, so these things we have to need for that. Okay, so what are the things we are required next? It's like a checkbox and like radio box we have. Okay, checkbox like okay, let's see check how it's look. Checkbox, this one is a checkbox, and we have radio box also. Level inside I need gender, and inside I need input. It's like a radio button. Okay, so you have to write male, and input it's like a radio, and inside you have to write female. Okay, done. So next thing I'll show, then I will show you like how it's look. Okay, so have you observed when I click male button, when I click female button, it automatically selected both of that. So how we can like select a particular one? We need to select that particular one. So because if any of that but customer client select both, we are confusing that it's a female or male. Okay, that's why we need something to inside that. You have to write like inside the name you have to mention gender, the same name you have to write, so they will understanding for that. This is a same thing. So have you observed that one? When I click that male button, it automatically deactive that female, and when I click that female button, it automatically male button. If you want to add something like other also, it will be work finely. I'll show you that one. So you have to write other OTH here other, and if you click something in that, it automatically goes to that particular. Okay, you have to mention that same name in that every of that particular radio input. Okay, so if you want to select the multiple choice, then you have to use checkbox. So if you want to select a, I will write as label inside. I need a whatever quotes you require, I will write. So it's like a quotes you are quotes. Okay, so inside if I write like a HTML. Okay, so next thing I require like CSS, and next thing I require JavaScript, and next thing I require Bootstrap. Okay, if you want to launch this thing, then you have to click the whole, the multiple like, okay, you have HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. You want to learn this thing, then you have to click this one. If anyone like learn that one also, it will click. Okay, according to your requirement, you have to use. Okay, if you want to use that particularly like radio button, you can, not an issue in that. But basically, if you go to any of the website, they will follow the rule. So you have to follow the rule as a developer. Okay? So I hope you understand these things. Have any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. I will go to that. Any doubt in that? Okay. Anyone have any doubt? Okay, I hope you clear all this concept. Then I will like show you button. Okay, in the button, if I write submit, it will submit button will be formed. Okay, so I need that one in that BR. It's like a in the below of that. Okay, so it's submitted. When I click submit button, it's submitted. But I want to whenever like a customer without entering, he or she will be submitted, but I don't want to like enter in that. Okay, so you need to be write like require. If you want to like if I submit something, it will be so may please fill out the form. Okay, if I entered something, then it allowed to submit that. Okay, so if you want to write in that password also or like date of birth, it will be allowed to like without submit or without entering something value, he or she or cannot go to that next page. Okay, if I submit, I will please fill out the form. If I write something inside that, and I click submit button, please fill out that form. Okay, whatever. So these things. So next thing we are like for that purpose we are using require. Okay. So next thing is that like anyone want to only read that particular whatever placeholder. Wait, sir, what is the purpose of label take and the purpose of attribute in the label take? Okay, first thing is label. So label basically we are using for input name, like input text, where we are calling it like input text. Okay, so whatever like input you are giving inside that after that, so you have to enter the particular whatever like you want to, so that it's a naming or like a father name or like mother name or like a candidate name or whatever content you want. Okay, so these things you have to write inside the label. So in that label we have for. Have you observed that one? For is there. Okay, so what is that we need to enter, like what is the purpose we are, you have to give that particular name. So we need to write like in that form it's a first name or you have to like write inside that slash name or like password whatever, so you can, but it's not required in the basically. If you want to write inside that, it's okay for that. Okay, so next I will show you like something. I hope you understand Vara ma'am. So next we have to go to that. It's like a that we have to learn. Yeah, text area. So if you want to like anyone want to comment out inside that like feedback or like comment if you want to add something. So in that below you can. I will show you that one also. Text area we are using for that. Okay. So okay, in that if you any one of that like adding something or query any query they can ask me typing inside that. So you have to write level inside, you have to write you can ask me any of the question, you can ask any query in the below. Okay, so you have to write B or it's like a BR. And but how we can set all these things by using div we can set that. Okay, so if you want to like any of the particularly side writing something like it will be fill that all that like content part, then he or she can be like drag it and whatever content they want then can write inside. Okay, so this is the benefit we have in that form. So next thing is if you want to write something in that inside that input box, then you can by using placeholder. Select placeholder, then you have to enter your name. Okay, it's enter your name. When you click right inside that, it will be erased automatically. Okay. So next thing is that if you want to show that one in that like a particularly in the readable form, not a writable form, then you can. So you have to use like you have to give that particular let's value inside that, say Johan Peter or like Johan Peter. Okay, so you have to in that yeah, you have to require it read only. Okay, so when I click inside that, it only selected the particularly, but it cannot like allow me to enter something inside that. Okay, so read only because we are using in the read only, but we can only readable that form, we cannot write inside that. Okay, so if you want to particularly like any of the situation, any of that like company or client want to like disable that one, so you have to disable. It's like without writing also you can do that. If I remove that one, not the issue. So if you click something, you cannot write anything inside there. Okay, so these are the basic things you know that I think some of the know and who are don't know about that. I think those who are get a decent idea about like how we are using form and how we can design a form. Okay, by using all that input and level. Okay, so next thing, what are the things we are require? Nothing. I will complete all that form element, whatever input like text, password, date and time, email, file, radio, and checkbox, all these things. If any doubt regarding the form, you can ask me in the chat box. Yeah, I will give you like a 2-3 minutes to ask any of the question if you can. If you don't have any doubt, please write on the chat box no doubt, so I will understand better. It's like no doubt we won't have. So we are close that session. If any doubt, no doubt. Okay, other one, are you there or like that not a meeting? Okay, great.
Sir, I want to ask one thing: how we have to submit the tasks and how we will get that?
Okay, I will share you a link in that like a classroom link. You have to join that classroom. Then our like team will be assign you a particular task. Okay, whatever task in that particular classroom, then you have to like go to that particularly in that classroom. Then you have to submit. Okay.
Okay, okay, all right, sir. Sir, that I'll get by your side link.
Yeah, our like team will be assigning you a assignment. Then you have to complete, and maybe I am assigning or like our like software will be assigning that.
Fine, sir. Fine. All right.
Yeah, Yukta, please ask me. Yukta. Sir, one question. Yeah, you can ask me. What of the question you have? Yukta, are you there? Okay, I was not understanding how to give the border whole page. Okay, okay. Don't worry, I will show you one by one. Okay, don't be quick. I will show you one by one because we are finishing 3 day only. Okay, we are not finishing like 5 day or like 7 day. It's like okay. I will show soon. I will teach you like how we can add border and like color, background color, like all that we whatever I teach you. You have to got a decent idea. You can like make your profile or portfolio yourself. Okay, don't worry. So be patient. I will show you like one by one because if I told you like a inside between that, if I told you border inside that, maybe other one may be confused. So one by one I will go so that how like you understand better. So I will teach you at that medium. Okay, so you have to understand these things. I will teach you later. Okay, okay guys, so I hope you have all like clear all the concept whatever I teach you inside that. So I will assign you like our team will be assign you that particular task, designing a form. Okay, it's maybe in that like a register form, like application form, whatever we are assigning you, you have to complete and submit that in between the 2 days. Okay, it's like, and one thing is that after the class you have to give your attendance in the below chat box. And next one thing is that like you have, if you complete that task whatever like our team assign you, you have to give your attendance in that, like in the every evening you have to give that attendance. This attendance link in our group description we have other like three links is there. One is like meeting link, and other one is like it's a leave application link, and other one is like attendance form link. So you have to fill that attendance form every evening or like after completing your assignment. Okay, and one thing is for training purpose, you have to write your name in the chat box for attendance, like you were attending the session for that. Okay, so our team will be tracking all these things whatever you are doing inside that 45 days training. I hope you understand these things. Okay guys, thank you so much for your patience and for listening me. Okay, write in the chat box for name, then you can leave now. Okay.